Meanwhile, former National Security Advisor Almonte believes the Philippines' decision to bring its territorial row with China before the International Tribunal will have positive results. He says world opinion will contain China's aggressive intentions. Freddie Abando with the details.
The move of the government to file another protest against China's increasing actions to intrude in the Kalayaan Islands in the West Philippine Sea will strengthen its bid to assert the Philippines' rightful claim as its territory. Former National Security Advisor Jose Almonte stressed the Philippine position, backed by world opinion, will contain China's aggressive intentions.
The Chinese know that they will not win. They know it. But let me say this, whether we win or lose is to me not important. What is important here is that it is litigated before the world, it is debated before the world, so the people will know what is this issue and who is right and who is wrong. Why? Because for me, the real force that can resolve this outside of China is world public opinion. And a world public opinion that is informed by, by what is really the problem, naturally will favor this. So far as we are concerned, everybody knows that we are merely protecting our maritime rights as provided by the UNCLOS, which is 200 nautical miles from our baseline, which is exclusive economic zone, and 150 nautical miles extended continental shelf. That's what we are protecting. We have sovereign rights in exploiting the resources in this area, both by sea and under the seabed. But the 150 only under the seabed. That's the UNCLOS. Now that is our bottom line.
Almonte said the filing of a memorial before the International Court on the Law of the Seas will enhance the Philippine strategy to resolve the dispute peacefully through diplomacy, since China refused to participate in the arbitration process. Since the current vision of China's current leaders is to extend its influence in the South China Sea to challenge American influence in the Asia-Pacific region. The pivot to Asia policy of the United States declared by President Barack Obama recently was a message to ensure the security and stability of the region given the territorial disputes of China with other nations from the Yellow Sea in Japan all the way to the South China Sea to include Taiwan, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, and the Philippines.
Given this challenge of China, is the U.S. willing to apply its entire elements of national power? So you can see that all our approaches about win-win situation, about peaceful means, dialogue, etc., can only go so far. Because the Chinese game is zero-sum. Either they have it or they don't have it. Now, this is the reality that I think our people should understand.
Almonte is in support of the enhanced defense cooperation signed by the Philippines and the United States. President Obama, during his visit to the Philippines, stated it's an ironclad commitment of the U.S. to defend the country from any threat to its security. It is also a major boost for the AFP's modernization program.
It could deter or prevent or minimize aggressive action by China in our EEZ. Hopefully, we do not know. Now, if they do, then the specifics of the situation will define the meaning of all of this.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.